Good morning everyone. In previous class we studied about what is set and how many types we can form a set. Now today we will study about the topic types of sets. Depending upon the number of elements we can differentiate different type of sets. Now set number first, empty set, void set, null set. A set containing no element is called empty set with the given property. When you collect the element, then there is no element satisfying the given property, then this type of set is known as empty set, void set and null set. It is denoted by 5 or this notation. It is a Dennis letter. It is a Dennis letter. For example, the collection of all girls in a boys college. Can you imagine, in a boy college girls can be a student, so this is not possible. So in this collection, when you collect the element, when you collect the object, then there is no object present in the set. So the for first the set is empty set. Now collection of all real roots of x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Can you imagine, when we put negative number or positive number and adding 1 we get 0. So there is no value of x in the real number for which this equation satisfies. So for finding the roots, the set is empty. The set is empty. Okay. Now second set is singleton set. A set is said to be singleton set if it is contains only one element. If it contains only one element, for example, set of even prime number. When you collect the set of even prime number, then only 2 will comes. So a is equal to curly bracket start 2 is the singleton set because it contain one element. Now see this type of set. This is not empty set. This is the set containing one element name 5. So it is called singleton set. Next is finite and infinite set. Depending upon the number of elements, we can categorize two sets, finite set and infinite. A set is called finite if we can count the element of given set. If we can count the element of given set, then it is finite, otherwise the set is infinite. For example, s 2 4 6 set, total number of elements 4, so this is finite. Then can you imagine how many total natural number exist in this number system? You cannot imagine. So we cannot count the element of natural number, so this is infinite set. Set of divisors of a given natural number. For example, 4 is a given natural number. Then total number of divisor is 3. That is 1, 2, 4. And we can form the set of divisor of 4. Then we get 1, 2, 4. So this is finite set. Empty set is always finite set. Singleton set is always finite set. Order of a finite set or cardinality. Order of a finite set means how many total number of elements of a set contain. The another name of order of a finite set is cardinality or cardinal number. Now we see what is the definition. The number of different elements in a finite set S is called order of S and or cardinality of S. It is denoted by OS means order of S or NS means number of element of S. X is that X is a positive divisor of 20. Then 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Number of elements 6. So order and cardinality of this set is 6. B X is a even prime number 2. So number of element or cardinality of set is 1. Order of empty set, ऑर्डर ऑफ इनफाइनाइट सेट, इसके ऊपर को थिंक करना है. एम्प्टी सेट का ऑर्डर तो क्या आएगा, 0 आएगा, और इनफाइनाइट सेट का आएगा, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ इक्विवेलेंट सेट, टू और मोर देन टू फाइनाइट सेट ए एंड बी. फर्स्ट कंडीशन फॉर इक्विवेलेंट सेट दैट इट इज फाइनाइट. Two finite set A and B are said to be equivalent if only when we count the number, then same number of element exist in the both element. For example, set 1 and 2 2 2, because this contain one element, and for this set we can write only 2. So this set contain one element, and this set when on rewriting contain one element. So 1 and 2 are equivalent set. For example, 3 4 or x square is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4 means minus 2 comma 2. So this set contain two element, this set contain two element. So both set are equivalent. Equivalent means only in counting the same number, not same set. Equal set, two sets A and B are said to be equal set if we write A and B if and only first condition they are equivalent and set A contains same element as set B contain same element in counting case or in journal case. Last is singleton set or unit set. As in starting in the video we see we are define singleton set or unit set. For the name we see that singleton means only one. A set contain only one element is known as single set. For example, x belongs to x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to put only 2 because x belongs to natural number, so we can count only 2. Okay, so 2 is the single sentence. X plus z, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 5 is comes. So minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 5 is a singleton set. So today our topic types of set is complete. Okay, thank you. Have a good